52223. Z's driving the family forklift. Yeah. I imagine you want to go right in the middle of the two, right?
Huh?
You want to go in the middle of the two, right?
What's the quarter, right? No matter where we hook it onto, it's gonna stay there, no?
Yeah, but you want the two forks to go right here, right? You gotta get, go up, up. Okay, go forward, a little bit this way, and the last minute cut that way. Forward and a little bit this way. Cut a lot. More. Okay, go up. 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 Okay. Now you gotta shift the whole thing that way or move your forklift back. This guy needs to be a little bit over here.